Here are the 5 mistakes that developers make when implementing a cookie consent banner in a Webflow website and how to fix them. The first is not blocking the video native elements in Webflow. When you go to the Add Elements panel in Webflow and add a native video with a URL, you have to block these videos because they can load trackers without the user consent. The same happens when you add a Lightbox native element. This is very important because most of the tools that are not designed for Webflow miss detecting these trackers. Let me show you why this happens. Let's open the website in incognito mode. Go to Inspect, Application, and click on Cookies. And here you will see that Webflow hides the video URL in a CDN embedded wrapper when using native video element. And other tools do not know about that. So how to fix it? Use a tool that are able to detect and add placeholders to the videos before user consent, or when they reject the cookies in case you use opt-out. Here on Consent Pro, when you scan the website, it automatically detects the cookies and the data stored by YouTube or other videos and block them if needed. And when you generate a banner, you will see here in the navigator, it comes with a placeholder component. You can click here, display block, and style this element the way you want. Mistake 2. Miss self-hosting Google Fonts in Webflow. When you go to Project Settings and Fonts and use a Google font from this list, this will load the font from Google server and send users IPs to Google, which is not recommended for GDPR, for example, because they treat that as data transfer. Not sure if you notice here, but here in Webflow they have a warning about it. So to fix it, go to Google Fonts, search for the font you want, like Inter, select it, download, and then upload here on Custom Fonts. But not just that, make sure to go to your Webflow project, select the body or other elements, and connect the custom fonts you added. Done. In Consent Pro, after scan, you can go to Pending Actions and see the fonts detected and how to fix them. This is exactly what I explained here. Third mistake, scanning only the homepage or miss-scanning all the pages. This is very common. Some tools only scan the homepage or miss some pages because they use link crawling to find the pages. What does that mean? The tools cannot know what are all the pages of your project and links from your website to properly scan it. So they do this. They go to your home page and try to find all the links redirecting to other pages. So they click here and then go here, click here next, and try to find all the pages from your website. But this is not accurate because you may have some pages that are not linked, like marketing page or landing page, and they will miss it. Let me show you how it works in Consent Pro. In Consent Pro, as we are designed as a native app, we have access to all your pages. It's like opening here the page panel and scanning all of them. We have full visibility of them because we are integrated with the Webflow's API. But it's not all flowers. Webflow's API have some limitations, and we cannot see the CMS collections and CMS pages. That's why we ask you to go to Project Settings, SEO, and enable the sitemap XML. This way we can scan all your pages with CMS pages included. Mistake 4 is assuming you are compliant just because you added a banner in your website. Some developers believe that only adding a cookie banner in a website is enough, but it's not. You have to configure your scripts and block them based on the user consent. Let me show you here how to check that. Open in incognito window, go to your website, right click, inspect, go to application, And most of the devs here think they should only check the cookies, but we have to check the local storage, session storage, and the cookies, because GDPR covers any storing of or access to data on a user's device, not just the cookies. So trackers hidden in local and session storage need to consent too. So refresh the page, click on the domain and see the stored data. This data is being stored automatically when we access the website, without even interacting with the banner. So this website is breaking GDPR law, because it's storing analytics and Facebook pixel, you can see here, without user consent. And now imagine that you have an opt-out banner when you store data by default, but the user should be able to reject that if they don't want to set the cookies. So ideally, when we click on reject, we should remove all the stored data, and it's not happening. So that's what we are explaining here. It doesn't make sense to only have a banner in a website when the solution and the banner should be blocking or allowing the scripts to load based on the user consent. So how to fix it? In Consent Pro, after scanning, our solution will categorize and help you categorize the trackers with AI and block them automatically the scripts based on the user consent. If they accept, we allow the scripts. If they reject, we block the scripts, as I'm showing here. And the fifth mistake is forget to rescan your website often to detect new cookies. How to fix it? As websites are updated often, and we explain here that even a new video added can break the privacy law, we recommend you to schedule scans monthly. So if you go in Consent Pro, go to Manager, Schedule Scan, and select the frequency here. So you can add your email and create a schedule. With that, you will receive an email with a report about that, and you can keep your website compliant. Nice, so these are the 5 mistakes we detected when developers add a cookie consent banner in a Webflow website. Did you already know about them? Please share with us in the comments below. And please, if possible, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so we can help more people to understand about data privacy compliance and how to implement cookie consent in a Webflow website. Thanks, bye bye, ciao ciao.